Hello, ACA friends. Welcome to our monthly ACA member meetup. I'm Selena Baca, founder, host, lead educator with the ACA, and I'm glad you're here. We had significant technical difficulties this morning, so this may just be a conversation I'm having with myself, and then everyone can watch the replay. So whether this is your very first meetup or you've joined me or the American Crochet Association in the past, what I'm hoping is that this space can be for all of us, all of our members. So what I would like to do is have these chats every single month, and it seems like the first Tuesday of every month, that's today, is going to work best. And really what I'm hoping is that this is going to be our new favorite way to connect. Although we have lots of ways that we can connect, whether it be through your course material, you can leave comments, you can email me, we have a Facebook group. This is just one more way we can connect. And again, I think it's going to be my favorite so far, if we can get the tech to work, fingers crossed. So whether you are moving through courses at the American Crochet Association, you're curious about what's new, or you just want to come on over and say hi, meet fellow crocheters, have fun conversations, share what you're working on. I want this space to be a place where we can connect, we can ask questions, and we can just feel like the ACA community is comfy. It's like a comfy part of home. So what I would like the format to be today, first and foremost, I did just want to share some quick news and updates. There are a lot of new things that are happening at the ACA, and I don't want anyone to miss out on them. If there's anyone here, which again, I had so many technical difficulties, so if there's anyone here on the live, I am going to open up the floor to just some community introductions, meet and greet, things like that. If that does not happen today, that is very much something that I want to create space for in the future. So again, if we don't see that today, it's coming. All right, we'll make it happen. And of course, this is also always going to be a space for people to ask questions. So the way I think that's going to work best is if you are watching, whether it's here on the replay, any kind of chat feature that we have here, just go ahead and type in your question. And if I am here on the live, I will answer all of those questions after the format of our show. And if you're posting that on the replay, I will get to those questions as soon as I see them. So another thing that I think is really interesting about these chats is that, yes, I am going to host these once a month. The first Tuesday of every month, you can log into your ACA community and find the links to do that. And the reason I'm scheduling them so far in advance is that there are so many other ways to connect. So really, I'm hoping this is just kind of like a fun community get-together event. You can always post your questions in advance, especially if you want them to be part of these live events. You can either join these live to chat and connect, or again, you can always catch the replay anytime if you can't make it here on the live, whether it be conflicting schedules, time zones, anything like that. I really want to build something special here, and I want everyone to be a part of it in ways that are beneficial to you. Okay, first and foremost, news and updates. I have been doing so many new things, and I'm trying to share them in all the places. This is just one place I can share that. First and foremost, I haven't done this in a really long time just because it takes so much time and technology. And as we're seeing here today, sometimes technology is not my best friend. Sometimes it's kind of hard. So something that I love doing is interviewing people who are part of the American Crochet Association community and just putting a spotlight on them and sharing their stories. So I have interviewed a few of our members behind the scenes. I'm going through and creating ways that you can view those. So you can find their video interviews on YouTube. You can find their chats on our blog. And these are things that I'm going to be sharing in our newsletters and also on our social platforms. So I just posted a new interview with one of our members. Her name is Karami. And this is one of our certified instructors who has gone through the American Crochet Association Crochet Instructor Training Program. And she shares her story, what inspires her, and some really thoughtful tips about teaching and learning crochet. And I had so much fun meeting Karami and having that video chat with her. And I'm really happy with how that interview looks. I probably watched it 20 times just as I was putting it together. I loved every second of it. So as you're going through this on the replay, I'm not going to be posting those links on the live because I really want everyone to, you know, be here and present. So on the replay of this, there is going to be kind of a notes section that tells you everything we discussed, and I'll have links to them, and the link to Karami's interview is going to be in there as well. Okay, so something else that I'm super excited, I'm going to say I'm excited about everything, but something else I'm really excited about is we have a new ACA community space. It's kind of what I'm calling it. So it is right there in your membership area. So right now it kind of looks like one of your other courses at the ACA. However, the format should be that as soon as you log in, you're going to see a, you know, on the top menu, you're going to see community, or whenever you're looking at all of your courses, the first thing you should be able to see is community. And whenever you click on that, there are really simplistic names for everything. I want this to be very easy. I don't want you to go, what is this? I'm not even sure what this is. So as soon as you click on community and to look at the picture of the community, because it is a yarn bombed bench, and it is something that I did with my local crochet group. That is the bench that we yarn bombed. I wrote a whole article about it. It's a thing. Of course, I'll link you to that, okay? So you guys can read more if this is the first you're hearing about it. But that community space, again, and it's community with the yarn bomb bench. I thought that was such a perfect picture for this, right? So it starts with just community resources. So I start with a welcome message. Hey, this is what the space is. I link all of our past, the past 10 newsletters. I'm inviting people to share their certificate selfies. So any certificate that of completion that you've earned by taking an American Crochet Association course, I would love to see that. And maybe we'll feature you next if you're interested, kind of like we did with Karami. And I'm always asking for feedback. So there's just one more place for you to post feedback. Okay, so some other sections here are special offers. So I've been talking a lot about something I'm really excited about, the new crochet membership. So if you've been with the American Crochet Association for the last 10 years, you'll know that we've always had a crochet membership, and it includes a variety of courses, right? Does not include all of our courses. So this being the 10th anniversary of the American Crochet Association this year, 2025, I really wanted to update the way we were providing courses to our members. And so we have a new membership tier. So if you are already part of the crochet membership, this is kind of like a re-enrollment type thing, which a lot of people are like, what does that mean? Why do I have to do this? In a techie kind of way, it's like we moved to a new building, and in that new building, we have 2 buffet tables, and you can get from either buffet table. Right now, if you're part of the crochet membership, if you did not re-enroll, we just have 1 buffet table that you can partake in or not. So if you want the new experience where you can choose between 2 different tiers, 2 different buffet menus, then you got to leave this building and you got to walk over to this other building and re-enroll, and then you can still choose to take from the exact same buffet table, but we got another buffet table just in case you're ever interested. Do you guys like food analogies? I do. So anytime I'm explaining something new, I'm like, do you guys like food? I do. Let me explain this in food terms. So hopefully that makes sense whenever it comes to the new crochet membership. I know that I'm throwing around a lot of different terms and things and stuff like that, but essentially it's all the same courses. I am still continuously updating courses whenever there's something new and fresh and hip and exciting, but it's still all the same great content. I'm just recategorizing what I call that content, because I never want anyone to walk in and go, wow, the ACA has like dozens of courses. I don't know where to start. I've broken down all of our courses by tier. So it's tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. Tier 1 is, do you want to learn how to crochet? Do you want to build your skills? Do you want to go through the 12 course learning path? That's tier 1. Tier 2 is, do you just want to make cool things and try challenges, make a sweater? You want to learn Tunisian? It's all those fun project-based things. All those fun project-based things, right? That's tier 2. Tier 3 is all of the professional courses. So if you're confused about any of that, just ask. I would be so happy to walk you through it. But again, in your special offers section, it does introduce, once again, that new crochet membership. Okay, so another thing that I'm doing just in the ACA community is every now and then, you guys just get a free pattern. I randomly pick different free patterns, and I always make sure that our crochet members have a really quick and easy way to claim that free pattern. So if you haven't gotten your free pattern yet, click on over there and check it out. All right, last special offer that I have right now. I did mention that this year, 2025, is the 10th anniversary of the American Crochet Association. I started this way back in October 2015. So as a fun little thing that I'm doing, I had my good friend, Jess. I don't know if you guys remember the Yarn Life show we did together forever ago. She used to be I called her my work wife just because we did so many fun projects together. She designed our 10th anniversary logo for the ACA. It is beautiful. So if you guys would like to snag one of those, I'm having them made on really fancy organic cotton. I ordered one. It should be here any day as soon as that comes in, because this is a brand new thing. I will be sure to show you. If you guys want to snag that, go on ahead and click on the 10th anniversary tote in your special offer section. Okay, and last but not least, over in the ACA community section, there are live Q&A events, and they are linked to chats just like this. You can get all the details, you can get the date, you can get the time, you can get the link to come on over and join, and hopefully people can find it and join next time. So we're getting better, right? We're getting better, yeah, fingers crossed. Okay, and the last thing that I want to share with you guys is something that I'm trying out. Let's see how it goes. My goal here at the American Crochet Association is to connect. I want to have more ways that I can connect with our community and that our community can connect with me. And so something new and fun and different and interesting is I created the Crochet Hotline. You can book a 15-minute call with me. You can view the calendar. You can schedule it all right on one page where you can ask me anything. Those calls are free right now for all of our crochet members. So if you are part of the crochet membership and you see that Crochet Hotline link whenever you log into the ACA community, you get free access. That's just part of your membership. So my idea here is that if you just want to hop on a call with me, those will be recorded. It'll just be me and you. You'll submit your question ahead of time. And then you got 15 minutes to where you can kind of ask me anything to just kind of dig in deeper on that topic. Those are all going to be recorded. They're going to be available for members to watch, learn, benefit, grow from, and they're also going to be put on our YouTube channel. So I'm excited to see who's going to book a call, right? Okay. All right. So those are the news and the updates, all the things that I wanted to share, all the things I'm excited about right now. So if you have any questions about any of those things, just let me know. Okay. And this is just, again, one more way that we can connect. Okay, it looks like today was a bit of a bust in terms of having, live members of the community come join. So I really hope it's just a me problem and we get better at that. But again, this is something new that I'm doing. Technology is hard for me sometimes, so I really hope that this is kind of a quick barrier that we overcome. I do want to say as well that I'm going to be doing 2 live calls every single month. One for the general crochet audience, that's what this one is, and another one that's more geared towards, or specifically geared towards, our professional members. Whether you have already taken a professional course at the ACA, you're thinking about taking one, or you have any questions, you just kind of want to chat about the material, ask questions, anything like that. I really just want to create a space where we can meet, you can get to know other people who are going through the same courses that you are, and really just kind of share conversations that could help you learn and grow and help others learn and grow as well. That's going to be later on today. Those are also currently going to be hosted on the first Tuesday of every month, and you can find the links and the details in your ACA community space under live events. All right, so since I am the only person here today, you guys are going to see my meet and greet. So the format would look something like, hey, hi, everyone. Selena Baca, founder, host, lead educator with the ACA. I'm checking in from Central Oregon right now. And I do want to show you my latest crochet project. I just finished it, but it is still currently attached to the yarn that I'm using. So what I'm using right here is Bernat Handicrafter, and I am using this, this 14-ounce skein. I love using these 14-ounce skeins, and really worsted cotton is like, one of my favorite things to work with, especially whenever I'm making bags. So you can see there's quite a lot left. That's kind of one of my favorite reasons to use this. And, I made a whole tote bag. This is one of my latest tote bags. I just posted it in my Ravelry shop. And check it out. Yeah. I called it the Peaches and Cream tote because I did initially make this with peaches and cream yarn in a gorgeous fleck. I love this kind of sea foamy green color. And so I wanted to make this. So now that I'm showing it to all of you, now I have to finish it. I got to fasten it off and sew in my ends. So stay tuned for that. That's what I'm working on. All right. So anyway, that's kind of what I'm hoping to do with everyone when you come live next time, right? And if you guys have any questions, comments, feedback, suggestions to make this a better chat, let me know. I'd love to hear. But really, I just think that the more people come, the more we share, the more it's going to be a really, great way to connect and a really more meaningful conversation than just me on my soapbox here. So in closing, because I said everything I wanted to say. Thank you all for watching the replay, because hopefully you're going to watch the replay, right? I do say this often, but it's worth repeating every single time. The ACA isn't just about learning crochet. It's about building a strong, confident, connected crochet community. And that's exactly what I hope we're doing together. So if you're working through a course, if you have questions, or if you just want to say hi between meetups like this, please don't hesitate to reach out in any way that makes sense to you, whether that be email, commenting here, leaving a question or a comment in any of the courses, or coming on over to our Facebook group. So our next meetup is going to be later on today. It is going to be with that professional meetup. Even if you just want to be a fly on the wall, I hope that you come on over and attend. It is a space for professional members, whether you're thinking about joining or you've already joined, you're a veteran crochet professional, all are welcome, because I think that the conversations there are going to be really helpful, even if you're just thinking about starting some kind of crochet career. So after this, because this is the first Tuesday of the month, our next meetup is going to be the first Tuesday of next month, and you'll get all of those details in the ACA community space. All right, everybody, thank you so much for being part of the American Crochet Association. It is a joy and a pleasure to just help be part of the American Crochet Association and the community with all of you. Peace, love, crochet, everybody. Until next time, bye-bye.